Hello people, this is Loc Queen V. I'm here to talk about peculiar roots. See, peculiar roots. My package came. It says embrace your uniqueness. So I'm loving that already. Alright, so now we're going to get into, I take my glasses off because the light is killing. It's killing my video, so let's just take them off right now. Alright, so let's get into this box. So in the box we have mousse. Let's see what that smells like. I just don't know. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. So we want to get some of this flaxseed styling mousse because it smells great. Also, we have refresher spray, rose water, and cockadoo plum. Let's see what that smells like. Because if the mousse smells good, I know this has to smell good too. My God, like I'm ready to put it in my hair right now, but I have to wash my hair first. And then we have some Loc pomade. So I'm going to be using this when I retwist my hair because I have to wash it. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use the mousse and the finisher spray once everything get done. Then I also have this to help lay down them edges. You know, gotta lay down them edges. They rough right now, but we're going to fix those in a minute. And then, you know what's so cool about this company? They've done something that I've never seen anybody do. So I'm going to show you now. Ready? You see it right here. Yes. The card, VIP. That's me. I'm an official VIP customer. Yes, yes, yes. And it lights up. How many companies you know have this in their box or with their product? I never saw this. So kudos to you, Peculiar Roots. And I just love the name because peculiar is such a powerful word. And also we have a little bag. I got to put my products in here. I sure can. Put it in here, light it up, and go about my day. Also, they have a towel. Like a little head towel. Once you're done, so I'm going to use this when I wash my hair and retwist it. Once I wash it, I'm going to wrap it up with this. So, listen. If y'all don't know about Peculiar Roots, you know now. So, follow them on Instagram. They're on Facebook too. So, get at them, okay? Because these are real products. Real products. It says vegan friendly, family owned and tested, no animal testing, handmade. That's what I'm talking about. So y'all make sure y'all follow Peculiar Roots. And you'll be seeing my hair when I'm done. So bye now.